Have you ever wanted to do something unlawnful? If you're like me, you like to practice unlawnful activities every day.
My name is Stephanie Aubert, and I am a proud board member of the Permaculture Association of the Northeast. And I'm standing here under a 7-foot-tall valerian plant.
Why do you think people value green lawns? I don't really see the appeal myself. If you have space to grow a lawn, you have space to grow a diversity of species that are better suited for your area. I like to diversify my green space for many reasons. My personal favorite lawn replacement is a forest garden. These are gardens that require very little maintenance throughout the year, are perennial, and serve many benefits. They smell better than lawns, they taste better than lawns, they look better than lawns. Additionally, you're providing food, shelter, and building materials for diversity of wildlife species. Not only beneficial insects, mammals, and amphibians, beneficial soil microorganisms as well. I don't have the time or energy to plant a forest garden right now. Growing native species are a great alternative. Even if you don't have access to native wildflower seeds, let your lawn grow. This will enable you to more easily identify the various species that are growing within it.
Some of the favorable species you may find growing out of your lawn are St. John's wort, wild strawberry, mugwort, yarrow, plantain, maybe even some native purple coneflower, daisies, red clover, many species of goldenrod. Goldenrod's really important because it has a variety of species that start flowering in early July and continue to flower well into November. Now, I'm not saying that grasses are not an important member of the ecosystem in all cases, because they are. There are many native grasses in the Northeast region, but when you purchase a grass mix from a farm or garden store, you're opting for non-native species that are often bioengineered just to look great, not really for nutritional value or any other purpose. Letting a variety of species grow in your lawn will prove to serve many benefits over the years. And even if you don't have time to grow a garden in its place, letting your yard and the various species that it can find there grow, you'll be continuing to build soil, provide habitat for insects and microorganisms, save yourself time and resources from continued maintenance necessary to maintain a manicured lawn, and many other benefits. Go out and do something unlawnful today, would ya?